India, a vibrant democracy. So many religions, so many languages, so many castes, creeds, and races. Yet one country, the largest democracy in the world, with the highest population of youth in a single country. Upon the shoulders of these young men and women lies the destiny of India.
In the year 2005, when we started the first school in the country to develop the future politicians, the MIT School of Government, what way this school can contribute, and we are talking about making change and educated youth must come in politics. That was our motto in the year 2005. Since 2005 till 2011, we were working on the same mission. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is a platform which is like a breeding ground for the future politicians of India.
जिसमें हम पूरे स्टूडेंट यूनियन के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स है, स्टूडेंट लीडर्स है, पॉलिटिकली सोशली एक्टिव जो स्टूडेंट लीडर्स यहाँ कल्पना है कि इसको अगर इनको संगठित करके इनको चैनलाइज किया जाए और इनको एक दिशा में एक कैटलिस्ट की तरह का इंडियन स्टूडेंट पार्लियामेंट उनको रोल करेगा.
Which brought together student leaders from different universities across the country on a single common platform to voice their opinions and make their voices heard across the length and breadth of the country.
Everybody demands peace, but each and every one of us want it at the cost of others' peace.
ना जाने कितनी दामिनी जैसी लड़कियां दोबारा बलि चढ़ती रहेंगी.
So I would urge all the youth out there to start thinking in constructive terms. How do we change society and make it a better place? And maybe the best place to start is to change ourselves. I would like to thank Mr. Rahul Karad, the convener of the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad.
We can be amazing sons and daughters. We can be lovable girlfriends and boyfriends. We can be outstanding general secretaries of our colleges. Then why not a responsible, willing and a politics-friendly citizen of this nation?
ये बहुत आसान होता है कि दूसरे के बारे में क्रिटिसाइज करना, ये गलत है, वो खराब है. अगर गलत और खराब है तो आप उसको सुधारते क्यों नहीं?
We have religious leaders, caste leader, community leader, tribe leader, but unfortunately we don't have a national leader.
Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is an open classroom of over 10,000 student leaders who learn from eminent personalities from different fields, who guide them on how they can participate in nation building.
This is the change which is required. This is the change which is going to change the way politics is in this country.
About 55% of the population comes from the working age population, that is the age group of 15 to 35, and that are you people who are really future of India.
हम सब इस देश से जो सक्सेसफुल पर्सन्स है उन लोगों का लेक्चर और मार्गदर्शन सुनेंगे.
Those of you who haven't dealt with diamonds, diamonds are valued on the basis of 4 criteria: cut, clarity, color and carat. So we try to give you the cut, to polish your face, to chisel more faces, to tell you what is corruption, to tell you what is the speaker, to tell you what is parliament.
I congratulate the MIT School of Government and Shri Rahul Karad for the concept of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad.
The atmosphere what we have created here, that give a think tank to all my youth colleagues. The time has come now. We should be united.
You people are here to show your pledge and a commitment and a sense of duty towards the nation building of this Mother India.
भविष्य है तो हमारा आज भी युवा है. हम अपने आप को गर्व से कहते हैं कि हम एक young growing democracy है.
I salute you because you are going to be the builder of this great nation.
Why this parliament is important? Because you are going to be the architect of the prophecy of Swami Vivekananda.
But this democracy in India can deliver a lot.
It's a great honor to be here speaking at this Indian Students' Parliament.
If the young and the old and everybody, all of us come together, if an honest intent is there.
Dear students, I'm delighted to address young people and students on the occasion of Indian Student Parliament.
After you leave this conference premises, I hope you will stay in touch with each other. Push for progress, mobilize for change, advocate for what you know is right.
Conflict arises out of rivalry. Rivalry for what are seen as limited resources. That is what we have to start trying to change. That is what you, young people, must start trying to change.
I am very honored and I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk to India's up-and-coming leaders.
The convening of this parliament, I'm sure, will help recognize the important role the youth can play in the overall development of our region.
A promise to change.
आओ अब कुछ बात करेंगे, मिलजुल कर अब काम करेंगे, तब जाकर कुछ बात बनेगी, जनहित की शुरुआत बनेगी, भारतीय छात्र संसद।
आप अपनी शक्ति को पहचानिए,
which is what we call giving a voice to the voiceless.
The type of discipline I'm seeing amongst you is really praiseworthy. Keep your religion into the four walls of your house. When you come out, you are citizen of this country.
You have to accept the good things of media and you also have to try and resist the bad things.
For 3 days, the students are exposed to enriching life-sharing experiences.
Work with integrity and succeed with integrity.
ये देश तुम्हारा अपना है, इसका ओनरशिप आज लेना पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
We should use our intelligence, our common sense, and with sense of responsibility.
जिनमें सोच है, हिम्मत है, आगे बढ़ने की और सही रास्ता पकड़ने की.
The young people of India are showing us that they do not lack in enthusiasm, idealism, sacrifice, passion, fervor, and a deep commitment to the future of the country.
युवा शक्ति, we can.
देश भर से आए हुए इन छात्रों को संबोधित करते हुए मैं कहता हूं कि भारतीय छात्र संसद की कल्पना भी एक इनोवेटिव कल्पना है.
Opportunity for youth in this globalized era.
There is no force on earth mightier than an idea whose time has come.
For having students in one forum like this from every part of the country, I commend each one of you for taking your time and participating in this great event.
यहाँ आकर के मुझे जो जोश, जो उमंग आप लोगों में देखने को मिला, मेरा ये भरोसा बढ़ गया कि इस देश का भविष्य बहुत उज्जवल है.
I feel truly overjoyed addressing the prospective leaders of this country.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड.
Every politician is not corrupt. Every politician is not dishonest.
भारत को कोई नई दिशा देगा और दशा कोई सुधारेगा तो वो केवल आप और हम मिलकर इस देश का युवा सुधारेगा.
मुझे आज देख के खुशी होती है कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान के कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक और अटक से लेकर कटक तक के छात्रों को आपने इकट्ठा किया है और एक विजनरी लीडरशिप देने का काम किया.
राजनीति में शुद्ध आशय से शुभतर अन्य कुछ नहीं होता महामत, कुछ नहीं होता।
करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है।
History was made during the third Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad when 10 youth wing leaders assembled on the dais and administered the oath for strengthening democracy.
We, the student leaders of India, pledge to participate in constructive political process. It is my duty to uphold its democratic traditions and values.
The live webcast of the Parliament proceedings was done with the support of A-View, a platform developed by Ministry of HRD, which was shown to over 50 universities across the country. Live telecast of the proceedings was done by Rajya Sabha TV and highlights were telecast by Lok Sabha TV. With each passing year, Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is gaining new grounds. More and more student leaders are adapting to the idea of entering public life through politics and shouldering the responsibility of serving the nation with determination and devotion.